Alright, good morning guys. So this video is going to take you through a quick tour of something we call the inscribed angle theorem. This is essentially the next thing in our book in 10.1.2, but since I'm not here, I wanted to kind of condense what kind of notes we were going to do. So this program is on GeoGebra, it's just on a website. I've included a link inside Canvas for this thing, and essentially what we're going to be talking about briefly is how that pink angle that's on my screen, that's at point D, relates to this arc that I can move right here. So you can see when I move the arc one way, and I enlarge the arc, the angle gets bigger, and when I shrink the arc, the angle, that pink angle, gets smaller, and then I can move the pink angle as well. So essentially this is a little toy program sort of for us to help discover how that pink angle relates to the angle at the center of the circle called the central angle. So this program, once I get everything set, I click the lock point D and begin, so I can drag this pink angle and bring this down to the center, and then I grab that spin me button and I spin it this way, because if I try to spin the other way it won't let me go to the left. I have to spin up, and then I can then spin the angle again. It creates another copy of that pink angle, and then I drag it down, and voila. You should hopefully see that there's this relationship that it took me two copies of the pink angle to make my central angle. So that angle up at the top is called an inscribed angle. So this pink angle there is called an inscribed angle. And down here where the two pink angles are the central angle. So now we can draw a couple of notes on that second video I've provided. So go ahead and switch to that.